In the heart of winter's chill, story unfolds, a month of history where countless tales are told from the echoes of their struggles to youth they've reached age. February whispers the lessons history has preached. Stand up, sing the anthems of history and pride. In the darkness they blazed a trail of radiant light. This month we remember, we honor, when we stand with the pioneers of past. And in harmony, woods and stream, we turn into more, a legacy of pride from shore to distant shore. In every heart and mind, their stories resonate. Black excellence, we celebrate, we educate. Stand up, sing the anthems of history and pride. In the darkness they blazed a trail of radiant light. This month we remember, we honor, and we stand with the pioneers of the past, hand in hand. From Douglas to Tubman, their birthdays we recall, a reminder of the journey, the rise after each fall. Across the globe, the seed spreads far and wide. In every step, in every heart, we take rise. The month fades, let's not forget. As the month fades, let's not forget. As the month fades, let's not forget. Their legacy lives on. It's not just history yet. Every day, let's carry on their line, for in their story
Beauté. Hello,
Mbote,
everyone.
mbote. Hello, everyone. Hello, dear Pangi. Um, yeah, so we are here this evening for meditation in English, like the previous years, the previous Black History Month that we've done last year. The final meditation was in English, so we are happy to be there. I am Nga Stella, sorry, and
And I
I'm
am Nga Destine.
yeah.
So we wanted to close this amazing event of the Black History Month by this meditation in English. The whole event was mainly in French. We've seen many of our ancestors, many heroes, female and males, who fight for our rights to be here today and to be free. And we wanted to honor them by this last meditation in English. And we hope that you will enjoy this one here. Just a few words about the people who have been presented. There were quite many of them. The Queen Zinga, we had Mandela, um, we had Fumu Kimbangu, um, we had Kimpavita, and so on and so on and so on. We really wanted to not forget about them, and we cannot forget about them because they are the key of who we are now, and they are leading us on our path to be to be better persons, to be better people, to be a better community. And we have learned from them uh, throughout their struggles, throughout their integrity, throughout their language and communication skills, that we have to resist, we have to be strong, and we have to keep our lights shining no matter what. And every year, it's a good reminder to just not forget about what they achieved and what they went through. Um, it is in our DNA. They are in our DNA, and we are following their path in our own field. And it is important to just keep on going and not stop until we are fully free, free mentally, especially.
Mm.
Um, they have done so many things on the ground on this planet, but they also achieve a spiritual consciousness that help us today to just grow more and more and to evolve. And we wanted this meditation to be especially on the grounding path because it represents a lot. It is grounding on the earth, but also grounding in spirit.
Mm.
And in that effect, uh, we wanted to just give them big thanks and to um, just keep on shining them, put the light on them. And maybe, Nga Stella, you want to talk a bit more about grounding in spirit?
Yes, just to add as well is that grounding is honoring our ancestors and our predecessors, but it is also being able to listen to who we are and what we are, and listen to our guide, because being grounded is to be able to continue in our path no matter what's happening around us, no matter what is happening in the world as well. We have to be able to keep going and stay grounded is really, really important. And for that, it is also knowing who we are and where we're going. And it's important to listen to our guides and to learn how to work with them. So hopefully we will achieve that together a little bit and help everyone to be grounded a bit more, and and put everyone in its own path. So thank you to everyone who is connecting. I see the Mbote, so thank you for being here. And hopefully we will travel together and ground ourselves together.
Thank you for being here. We will start the meditation right now. The first part will be led by Nga Stella, and then I will follow up, and then we will close the meditation.
Yeah.
Enjoy, guys, and thank
you. Zola. Should we wait for the music, or is it? So please take a comfortable position. You can sit down, you can lay down, or stand still. Just be comfortable. And you can take a deep breath. You breathe in and out slowly with the music, and relax. Try to relax all your body, from your toes up to your legs. Try to relax your stomach and your chest and your arms. Relax your neck and your back. And clear your head. Breathe in slowly and breathe out. Breathe in again. So now you take a big breath in and you hold your breath for 3 seconds. You hold your breath actually until you cannot handle it. So let's do that. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Breathe out all the tension. Try to relax and breathe in again. Hold and breathe out. Breathe in again. Hold. Breathe out. Now you're going to visualize, try to visualize the right side. As you breathe in, you imagine the light coming in through your head. When you breathe in, you imagine this light entering through your head and traveling all across your body. See this light entering from your head, from the top of your head, and filling your inside like a bottle, from the head through the chest and your belly, going down your legs. And imagine this light is clearing everything inside of you. It's like a shower. It's like a shower and cleaning all your body. It's like a protection to you. And as you breathe out, you imagine this white light, bright, being all around you and protecting you. When you breathe in again, it's inside of you, and as you breathe out, it's all around you. It's your protection, it's your shield. And now you feel more relaxed. And visualize this light, very bright, forming like a cylinder all around you, protecting you. There is no end. It goes up to the sky and down to the earth. It's connecting you to your guides, and it's connecting you to the earth. Now that you are relaxed and inside your shield, this white cylinder, as you breathe out, visualize roots coming down your feet and entering the earth. Those roots are going deeper and deeper into the earth, and they ground you. They make you strong. Visualize those roots bigger and bigger, going down the earth until the middle of the earth, where they meet a crystal, a white crystal. Visualize those roots entering that crystal powerfully. You can feel that power inside of you now. As your roots get in touch with this crystal, visualize now that a red liquid, a red substance going up the roots to your feet. Visualize this red light traveling from the crystal of the earth up to your feet, to your roots. It is powerful, it is strong, and you can feel this red light into your feet. You can feel the strength of it, and you visualize this red color, this red light going up your legs. You feel the strength of the earth coming into you through this red light. You feel strong. You feel strong and connected to Mother Earth. Take this energy, you can feel the flow of energy through that red light. This energy is coming up to your legs and up to your back and your stomach, You can feel this energy going through your body and coming up to your chest and your back, traveling to your arms, up to your fingers, down to your fingers. Feel this energy from the earth covering you, going up your neck, going up your face, to your head, and even to your hair. You can feel all strands of hair becoming red, and you can feel this energy, this strong energy inside of you. That's Mother Earth energies that you are receiving right now, and you can feel it all over your body. Now relax into it and take it all in. Feel this energy, this connection to Mother Earth, to Ma'amantoto and Zola. Ma'amantoto, Zola. Thank you for your connection. Thank you for sharing your strength with us. Thank you for nourishing us and grounding us right now. Ma'amantoto, Zola. Ma'amantoto. Ma'amantoto. Thank you for this energy. Bless us with your strength and your energy. Now that we are anchored to Mother Earth, to Ma'amantoto, we can now go up and visit our guide. Visualize yourself into a green land, into a forest, a luxurious forest with a lot of trees around you. Visualize yourself into this luxuriant forest as you are connected to the Mother Earth, to Ma'amantoto. You can visualize this energy, this green color coming all around you. This green color is swirling around you from your toes, going up to your head, and is bringing you up. And now you feel this green color filling up your chest. This green color is Bundu Jamakaba. We are connected to the Makaba, the beings of the nature, the beings of the forest. They fill our chest with love. They fill our chest with love. As you breathe in this green color, this green light, very bright, and you can feel the map all around you. Zola, ensemble, for being here with us today. You can feel your chest expanding, your heart is expanded, and you can feel all the beings, all the guides around you. They are speaking to you right now. They are speaking to you right now. As your heart expands, you can feel all the tension going out of it. You can feel all the resentment out of it. You can feel all the negative feelings coming out of your heart, out of your chest. And the Merkaba, the green color, the green light is filling it out. It's filling it in with love. With confidence. Love. With light, positive energy, is clearing everything, is clearing out all the negative. Take it. Take it. Clear all the tension, clear all the negative feelings, all the resentment. Zola. Nga Destine.
In this space, in this forest, we are protected by the only one source, Ma'amawandumbi. Now we are grounded. We are joined by animals, Bipulu. We are joined by plants, Bimenina. We are joined by rocks, Nati. Because we are part of this nature, we are the fire, we are the water, we are the earth. Yeah. I'm calling on the 4 elements. Number water, Mbau, fire, air, Mboto, Mamba, Ba, Mboto, Mamba, We are calling on you, element, to accompany us, show us the way of the grounding. We don't know where we're going if we don't know where we're coming from. Mixed trees. You're stronger than you. Feel this strength. Your whole body. Feel yourself connected to something more important than you think. Feel yourself connected to the center rock. Feel yourself connected to all four elements. Nature reminds us every day that we are one. It reminds us every day not to fear anything. We are one. Remember, things won't always go the way you want, but it is meant to be that way because we are protected. Your ancestors, the guides, are protected. Mother Earth is protected. Feel yourself making one with nature, with the ground. Bundu de Macaba Zola. Hard times are coming. So make faith in our wishes. Faith in something divine that guides us. Let the Mundu Jamakaba touch your heart. Let the light shine. Share your gift. The world needs it. Like those great heroes. Show path to the new generation coming, to our children. We are the key. Therefore, we are our own ancestors. Let your voice be. Remember, you're not walking alone. You've never been alone. Let the ground receive your roots deeply. Let your spirit be grounded too, in spirit, in the higher plan. The help is coming from everywhere, from the ground, from the cosmic plan. It is unlimited. We are unlimited. Hey, Mama, show you always have, show you always the way to go, the way to live, the way to go, the way to accomplish, the way to be, the way to be free, the way to succeed. Way to be a strong community. Among Zola, feel this light, feel golden light coming from the sky, coming from cosmic beyond. Throw your head. Feel this light filling your body, filling up your whole body. See yourself as a light, a golden light, a shining one. See yourself lightening up all around you. Because we are warriors of light, warriors of love. See yourself surrounded by this golden light. creating more strength, more stability in your life, in whatever you are going through, you are achieving. See your life brightening. See your project succeeding. See yourself elevate, moving. Because we are magnificent creators, we are grounded and we stand strong. We are like a tree standing straight, never falling down. And if we do so, we stand up again. Never forget that people died for us to be who we are now. It is because of them that we are more stronger and stronger every day, every time. Keeping the light on. We are the Destine of bright days. Bright days. Atondo de Macaba, Zola. Atondo Mamba, Atondo Mpi, Atondo Tutu, Zola. Atondo Maasi. Atondo to all the beings, all the guides. During this meditation. Mundo de Macaba, Zola, mundo de Agimbi, Zola, mundo de Benza, Zola, mundo de mundo de Mangu, mundo de Nanga, Zola, de Manyanga, Zola, mundo de Guantinga, Zola, mundo de Akuman. Ebe walungu la yebumbalo that answer it is of our responsibility to be the new guide. The ancestors. of the next generation. Zola. And we are grounded. And at the root of the divine source, La Amawandu. Zola. Now, come back to what is. When you feel ready, you can move your feet and your hands, and then open your eyes. Come back to this reality. Atundo for your presence. Atundo for being here tonight. Are you okay, Nga Stella? Your mic is mute.
Yeah,
Okay.
Kondo, yeah.
Thank you, everyone,
Thank you.
for attending this meditation.
Yeah,
Matundo, Matundo, Matundo.
yeah,
We wanted to give thanks to the Black History Month team, Nga Marilyn, Nga Kenge, Maman Anne-Laure, and Nga Stella. Matundo to them. Matundo also to those who presented a few of our heroes. We have Nga Matondo. We have Nga Kenge Matondo. Nga Nataliako Matondo. Nga Sere and Nga Christelle Matondo. Ntumwan Swadikimbazi Matondo. And not forget, of course, Mamo Marika, Nga Marika, who was at the initiative of this Black History Month with all the team. I think I'm not forgetting anyone. If I do, I'm sorry. It's been an intense meditation tonight. We hope that you enjoyed and then that you receive all the love of this meditation. We hope that you felt this grounding deeply in your roots, in your spirit as well. Nga Stella, if you want to add anything.
Yeah, no, Zola, to everyone who was there, and hope you enjoyed, this meditation, and you took everything you could and connected as deep as you could as well. Thank you for being here, and thank you to the team for inviting us as well to close this Black History Month in English. And we hope that soon we will provide more content in English as well. So we will let you know anyway. So that's it, I guess.
Yeah. Thank you all. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for this second edition of the Black History Month. We'll have a third one. So we'll see you next year. Hopefully with more and more people coming. Zola.
Matondo to everyone. Matondo.
In the heart of winter's chill, story unfolds, a month of history where countless tales are told from the echoes of their struggles to they've reached a steady whispers. The lessons history has preached. Stand up, sing the anthems of history in pride. In the darkness they blazed a trail of radiant light. This month we remember, we honor, and we stand with the pioneers of let's not forget. As the month fades, let's not forget their legacy.